guys, I'm literally obsessed with this wig. Like, this wig is so stunning. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, this wig is giving me it girl right now. Hi, Tia here, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a wig install by myself. Yes, I said it, by myself. And this is the actual wig I am wearing, and it is not half bad, to be honest with you guys, because I'm not very good at doing install wigs, and this is my very first ever attempt to actually do it, and I actually did a pretty decent job. So anyways, this wig is from Alipearl. I just want to say thank you so much for sending this unit, and it's freaking great. I'm literally obsessed. I can't help looking at myself in the mirror right now, but yeah. And just want to give you guys a bit of information about this wig. This wig is actually HD, and it is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so it's good for people who want to do their hair quite quickly. It's been done already for you, and for people like me who's such a beginner, so it's a lot easier to apply and everything. But yeah, this is the wig. I'm very obsessed with this wig. Anywho, let's get straight into this video. Hope you guys enjoy.
Straight into a unboxing. So I'm going to show you guys little bits that they have gave me. They gave me a wig cap and a edge brush and lashes and actually little mirror. It's actually super cute. And they gave me a little headband so I can install my wig. And also they gave me a silk bag. So now let's see the wig. So this is what the wig looks like up and close. It is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, you can see by here. Also, this is how it looks, how long it is, and also it has a elastic band so it won't fall off, and you can adjust it as well for your head shape. So now let's get into the install. I'm actually using my mirror, so I'll be looking a different direction. I'll try my best to look into the camera. So now I'm just literally brushing the wig a little bit more back so I can see where the hairline is I need to do, try and match it with my hairline, because I feel like that's important to make it look nice and natural. I actually cut off some lace because to match up with my hairline, obviously with my ears too. So I'm actually doing the spray method. I can't lie, for me it's a lot easier, especially I am a beginner, as I said before. So now I'm just flipping the lace and spraying on my forehead and on the sides as well to stick the lace. So now I'm going to the hairdryer. I'm just literally drying the bit that I have sprayed. So I had to check if it's sticky enough. So when it's sticky a little bit, I can actually put on the wig straight away, and then I can add more spray as well. So now I'm pulling the lace and the wig to the bit where I have sprayed and just pulling it down. I can't lie, the lace did so well. It stuck really good. This lace is literally amazing. I'm actually quite shocked how well it literally stuck through. It's so perfect. So now I'm using the lace spray again to have more secure. So now I'm using the hairdryer again, and I'm using an edge brush to comb it through so it sticks a little bit more. So I'm literally just brushing it, making it more natural and pushing it more firmer down so it sticks. So now I'm using the headband they gave me. I'm literally just tying it up, and I leave this headband on for 15 minutes. Yes, that is long, but I want this to look scalp if it's possible. I want it to look very natural. So now I'm using a hair wax, so I'm literally applying onto the lace, and I'm using a hot comb. This hot comb is so hot. It's hot as hell, but it's really good. I'll put it into my down below. I carry on using the hot comb because it works really well, especially if you want to lay down your wigs a lot more to give no bumps or anything like that. That's what I'm doing right now, so I don't want any bumps onto the wig. I want it nice and flat. Now I'm just taking the band off. You can obviously see the expression of my face. It hurts, but remember, pain is beauty. Yeah, this is what the lace looks like right now. It's giving me scalp. I don't care what you guys say. In my opinion, especially for a beginner, it's giving scalp. So now we're going into the important part where I'm cutting the lace, and I'm cutting around near my hairline, not too much off it. So I'm just cutting where it's enough where I want to reapply again in the future. So this is what it looks like close up, and I'm actually doing a pretty decent job and it's going quite well for me. So now I'm using the small scissors and I'm using a little eyebrow razor where I'm literally just erasing more of the lace to make it more natural. So now I'm using Spritz. It's a good spray to have more like a natural look, and the lace kind of melts really well with it. I go into the headband again and I leave it for 10 minutes. So now I'm using makeup to give more blending, more melt look, to make it look natural, and the lace and my skin is literally blending really well. I definitely recommend this wig. It's blending so well. So now I'm giving myself some sideburns to give more like a natural clean look. I won't be doing my edges. I normally do them, but I feel like my hairstylist does it way more better than me. So yeah, I want to give it more like a natural look anyway. I want to try that for my next look, especially for Instagram and like other stuff. By the way, I use a Got To Be gel to lay down the sideburns. So now I'm using the foaming spray to spray top of the lace, and then I use a hot comb to lay it down so it's more flat on the top. So now I'm just doing a bit more touch-ups with the makeup and everything. So this is what it looks like right now. The lace is so amazing. It's giving so good. So I want to show you guys what it looks like when it's all dry, and yeah, so I actually prefer it when it's wet. I just prefer it. It just looks much nicer to me in my opinion. So I go back into doing the foaming spray and I put all over the wig, and now I'm using the hot comb again to make it more flat. So I use the hot comb quite a lot in this bit, so I want it nice and flat, as I said before, especially for a wet type of look. So this is what it looks like, and I prefer having this wet look. It just looks so much nicer in my opinion, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So now I came a little bit closer so you guys can see what it looks like, the lace, and what it looks like from the back as well. So yeah, I'm very happy how it turned out. It looks so nice. I keep saying it looks so nice, stunning, because it is stunning. The freaking wig looks freaking amazing. I will say it again, I'll never stop saying it, I swear.
So here's the result, and in my opinion, I did not that bad. I did not that bad. I'm actually very proud of myself because this is my first ever install, do my hair actually properly. So I'm happy you guys follow my little journey, do my own install and wig and everything. So it's so amazing. Like, this wig is so good, I can't lie. This wig is especially good for summer. Curly bust down wigs are literally just the it, like literally it girl right now. That's how I literally feel like an it girl right now, because I do so well with my hair. So this is literally what it looks like, and I'm literally obsessed with the inches. Like, it's 22 inches and I feel like it's much longer, I can't lie, but it sits really well with my hair. It's so nice and it's so soft and it looks so good while it's wet. Right now it's actually wet, but it's drying a little bit, and it looks so natural, especially from the top, the scalp here. Like, it's so good. Thank you for this brand for having this pre-bleached and plucked. So I'm very grateful for them for doing that for me. So I'm very happy. So I feel like it's really good for beginners anyway. So thank you so much to this brand. I feel so good right now. Like, this hair feels amazing through my fingers, and the curls are so nice. They're so nice and perfect and properly layered. And yeah, this is literally what it looks like from close up a little bit more, from the lace at the top, and it looks so natural in my opinion. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and subscribe if you want to see more hair related videos. So thank you for watching. Bye.